Dominos are gonna fight with the Blake fans. They attack first. The Blake fans attack the Dominos first. And the Dominos are super mad about that. This is why they attack them, because the Blake fans want to kill the people. And now we are gonna battle. And they want infinite money. And now it's starting to get serious. It's starting. 3, 2, 1, fight. Mergonoid.
Bombers, go!
Mergonoid. Mergonoid. Let's not do anything for a while.
And the kids watching in there.
Oh, great! They're jumping over the dog. Hey, it's a super blade.
Bombs, fire, and guns. And tanks. And atomic bombs.
Mergonoid.
Run! We give up. They're so fast. They giving up.
But some of the dominoes got injured. Yes, we won! I think guys. Dominoes won.
Dominoes won. We didn't even use the big ram.
Yeah.
And some didn't even fire.
Good thing they won't be so strong. But soon they will be strong.
And all super villains has been killed. Thanks to the admin grabber.
Yeah, admin grabbers are very good. Look, this is examples of admin grabbers. Delete the villain. Then it will make them die. So thanks to Domino City, they are very great. They didn't even use their full power. If they use their full power, only one will be remain. I mean, if they use their full power, all Blake fans will be there. Okay, thanks guys. And I will charge my phone. Since how many percent is this?
19.
Okay, I'm gonna charge my phone for a while. There's more daily videos. I'll show you the daily videos. Okay, Domino daily videos.
Wait, show that.
Domino daily videos. Okay. We finished the Domino Blake fans, Ali fans. Okay, boys chess versus girls chess. I'll charge until it's 100% or if Sasa calls me. Okay? This is already finished. Okay. Number 1, domino versus break fans and dance fans. 2, boys chess versus girl chess. 3, domino dancing. 4, hunting ghosts on abandoned tower. 5, going in China to beat the giant zombie. 6, swimming at the domino beach. 7, are today. 8, summer. 9, snowy day. 10, going on the most highest skyscraper. Number 11, Halloween. Number 12, vegetables day. Okay. Number 13, Guru's son's birthday. 5th birthday. Okay. Okay. 14, war. 15, Easter day. 16, posts. 17, domino versus 2 gorillas. Okay. 18, training flap. Okay, done.
Guys, so this is flop.
Okay. This is flap.
Flop.
Yes, training flap. Okay. This flap is nicknamed friend. Bro.
Yeah. Bye bye.